New Zealand USD, now we are based on daily chart. Alright, as we can see based on daily chart, there is no much changes if we compare to my last video analysis. Alright, as we can see the price is correcting here. Now the question is whether we should wait for the correction, or at least the price from here can continue to move higher, or we can expect the down move, which we are more interested in. In my last analysis I mentioned, because we want to see whether we will get this one. That means the price is still moving within this channel or the trend line, and this is what we're interested if we can get. But rather than that, and beside that, we need to see how high this one can go, or can we get the correction for the continuation or not. Anyway, we move to lower time frame. We see how we can trade. As we can see here, the price, even in my last video we were expecting for the down move. Alright, now the question is whether this one can continue come to this low at least, or maybe we will have this one will be similar to what we have here for the next move up before we get the down move. That means in that case the price can be can correct and move a bit higher. How high it can go, we are not sure. Alright, but anyway, we are looking for the down move and see how we can trade it. If I move to lower time frame, okay, based on 1 hour chart, we had the trade for today. This is where we could sell, and this one, because in my last video we mentioned if we want to look for sell, should look for the down move, the sharp move and correction. This is the first one, and this is the second one. As we can see, when we see the price correcting similar to what we have here, this is where we take out the trade. Alright, see what's happened. Anyway, in this case, if I move to 1 hour chart, alright, what's the next? As I say, the first things we need to know whether what we have here we can expect to get similar to that for the price to move up, or the price from here can continue and drop. Alright, in this case, right now, as we can see, the price reverse here. No, if we get a correction here, we can look for sell. That means the price drop start to correct. It depends what type of the correction we will get. If we get a correction, still we can look for sell. And what we want the price at least to take this low. Alright, then from there we need to manage whether there is a continuation or not. Alright, how about if the price sharply drop? I don't think we're going to look for sell. And beside that, do we need to look for buy? I don't think within this range we can look for buy. I don't suggest us, unless the price break this high, give a correction, and that time I don't think we can. Is good to trade for this range. It depends what we will get, but right now what we're looking for, if we get a correction, look for sell. Anyway, we just follow the chart and see what we will get here before we take the trade. Then from there we see, if I see any update I will share on YouTube. Thanks.